everybody's having a good day. Today I'm going to teach you Life is Confusing by Langhorne Slim. Alright, kind of a simple song. There's a few little pull-off, hammer-on things that you can get away with not doing, but I'll kind of walk you through all of it along with the strumming pattern as well. Make sure you hit subscribe and like the video if you enjoy it. I'm going to keep putting these out, hopefully on a weekly basis. That's what the background says on my screen, so I guess I better do it. I'm going to try to do at least one vlog a week and one video. But here's your video for the tutorial. Capo first fret chords we're using are G, F, C, G. So you got your G, F, C, and G. There's a D, C at 9, and a G/B in there as well. But we're not going to really go over each individual chord today. We're just going to assume you know these. Yeah, I will go back and I'm going to release a whole beginner guitar series on how to play open chords and stuff like that. But today, Life is Confusing, Langhorne Slim. Let's talk about it. So this should make it a little easier. I zoomed in. So you're going to start, you're going to pluck the 6th string, get your G shape, pluck the 6th string, and then you're going to pluck the 1st string together in unison. So it's down, up, F. Down, up, C. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. Now with the hammer on, C, hammer, up, F, C, hammer, up. So that part is kind of tricky. This is what you got to know to be able to kind of play it exactly like he does. So G, up, F, C, down, up, down, and when I go down that second time, middle finger comes up. Down, 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 hammer, up, down, and that's all one strum, or all one chord right there. You're just manipulating the sound with the right hand and with your middle finger. So down, hammer, up, down. When I strum down, my middle finger comes back up, back to G, okay? So now, for the turnaround part, G, F, C. I'll do the turnaround now. G, F, he goes G, and he hammers. So he goes G, F, down, up, G, down, up, hammer on the 2nd fret, 5th string, and then he goes open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, straight to a C, and then the pattern starts over. F, C, hammer, up. So that, again, that turnaround, G, F, G, down, up, hammer on the 2nd fret, open on the 4th, open on the 3rd, C, and then back to G, F, C. So I'll play that whole bit. G, down, 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 up, down, down. You don't have to do that hammer on there. And then the last time, G, down, up, hammer, pluck, pluck, C, and then G, F, C. Alright, so that's actually also the verse. Okay, so you just learned the intro, the turnaround, and the verse. So again. Life is confusing and people are insane. And he goes to this D. Sorry about the bad singing, but you get the idea. He goes to this D chord, so. Okay, so that's kind of the idea. So the chorus, G, same thing as the intro and the verse. F, C, D, there's G. Back to the instrumental. Back to just G, F, C. Okay, so that's like 90% of the song. So as far as song form goes, you've got intro with the turnaround being the G hammer. All right, then you've got the verse, G, F, C, G, F, C, G, F with the little turnaround, G hammer, C. Chorus. The first time is just life is confusing and people are insane, and then he goes back and does the intro again, no turnaround, just twice. Alright, now there's one little interlude part. The second time he does this kind of like weird little thing. I don't know if he does it live, but he does it live. I'm not sure if he does it on the studio recording, but the second time through the interlude on basically for the outro he goes G, F, C, G, G, F, C, G. Then he goes G, F, C, D, C add 9, G, D, and chorus. Life is confusing, people are insane. 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 Alright, so that's most of the song. I think that's actually every part of the song. So let's go back into that interlude into the last chorus one more time. So it's G, F, same pattern, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. This is actually a chorus. What he does there, he hits the G note on the 6th string, 3rd fret, 6th string, relative to the capo again. Then he uses his 3rd finger and bends the 3rd fret of the 3rd string, just like a quarter step bend. Alright? Because that's a half step. So it's not even a whole step or a half step, it's just a little quarter step bluesy sounding bend. And then he plucks that 3rd string open, so he goes. And it happens really fast. You don't have to put it in the song, but G, 3rd fret, 6th string, 3rd fret, 3rd string, and then you bend it, quarter step, and then D, up, down, up, C add 9, up, down, up, G, up, down, up, D, and then back to another chorus. Okay, so that's the whole song, Langhorne Slim. Alright guys, that's how you play Langhorne Slims. Life is confusing. Just remember, if the strumming pattern is too hard with the hammer-ons and pull-offs, just do the pattern. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. It's kind of a folky thing. If it's too fast to play with the recording right away, don't rush it. Just set your metronome slower and gradually increase tempo. That's how you get really good anyways. It's not about being able to play your favorite song right now. A lot about playing guitar or any other instrument is the journey it takes to get from not knowing anything to getting to where you can play all of your favorite songs, no problem whatsoever. Just takes time and a lot of patience and a lot of hard work, but I can guarantee you it'll be worth it. Hit subscribe, hit like, comment below. Give me some suggestions on some more tutorial videos you'd like to see. Anyways, thanks and have a great day.